Sirui Lili Festival gi matangda phongdokhiba wafam khara social media da viral chatkhiba aduna lanna uhalle haina Kuki Students Organization gi President Paojakhup Guite na Shengdorakli North East Now na thagalakpa video amada wafam asi phongdokladuna Paojakhup Guite na hai viral chatkhiba video aduda mahakna phongdokhiba wafam de Sirui Lili Festival da maitaina buffer zone lansinnaba honarakliba asi pangdabagi thawong amani haina phongdokhibani adubu khwaidagi henna maru oiribadi Manipur da khundaminariba phurup khudingmak tangdu leitana leminnabani maram aduna pamdaba thodok sing thoktanaba wafam sing adu phongdokhibani hainasu mahakna makhatana phongdokhi.
I would like to clarify that my remarks were misinterpreted. There I stated that the festival appears to be a covert attempt by certain civil society organizations to encroach upon demarcated buffer zones, which I opposed. My primary concern was rather maintaining peace and stability in the state, ensuring safety for all communities, particularly women and children. Given the volatile situation and reports of potential confrontation, my statement was aimed at restraining and protecting, not inciting any form of violence. Given this volatile situation, I feared for our lives and thus advocated for maintaining buffer zones to ensure peace and stability.